You mentioned that you were on this project with a very, very early adopter with Azure and everything, and like trying to build the community. But how was it that back then, when I mean there was no community around Azure, I guess, because you were kind of the first. How did you see the development of the community since then?
Well, actually, when you say you were the first, the great thing is in the MVP community, particularly, number one, you've got more visibility of the product teams and what they're doing, so that really helps those relationships. But also, you learn about just having a bit of an outward view of what we're doing is one thing, but what are other people doing? Because while even if you're an early adopter, there are still other early adopters, and
Yeah.
being able to you might not know somebody directly, but you know somebody who knows somebody that you can bounce ideas off.
Hmm.
Um, and then again, being one of those early adopters, product teams want feedback, so you'll develop your relationships there if you tell them what you're doing. And we made a big effort to kind of make sure we were communicating with people so that I remember one time that the service bus team, when we were at the MVP summit quite early on, they wanted us to just talk to them about what we're doing and give them feedback on how we're using the tool. And I think when you come into product development nowadays, there's things like you know what you're trying to build, but you have to understand, one, the customer problem,
Yeah.
but also you have to understand that the way the customer is going to use your tool isn't necessarily the way you intended it to be used in the first place, and you'll discover a whole new field of opportunities that you need that customer engagement piece to really understand how to evolve a product better. And I think that what I learned then helps me now, kind of thing.